Hi guys! Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Teacher Mel. Okay, before we start, please click the subscribe, okay, and also the bell so that you will get notified the next time I upload the next video. Alright, so today we're going to learn about adding mixed numbers. Okay, in my two previous videos we add fractions with different denominator, and in the other one we add fractions with the same denominator, but by this time we're going to add mixed numbers. For example, if you have 1 and 2/3 or 1 and 2/3, yeah, plus, so if you have 3 and 1/3, okay, so 1 and 2/3 plus 3 and 1/3. Okay, in these problems I have two ways or two methods to show on how to add mixed numbers. Okay, first method, watch. Okay, I'm going to add 1 and 3 here because they are the whole numbers in these mixed numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 3. Okay, I just put it like this. Okay, to separate them, bracket. Plus, I just write 2/3, 2/3 plus 1/3. Okay, so I just separate them into two groups. So the whole number 1 plus 3, and then the fraction or the proper fraction 2/3 plus 1/3. Alright? Now, what is 1 plus 3? So 1 plus 3 is 4. Alright? And then plus. So in my previous video, so that's why I introduced to you my last two previous videos, or my last two videos, the simplifying fractions with the same denominator. So in this case, in that video, we just simply add the numerators. Okay, the number on top of the fractions. So we just add 2 and 1 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over, and then copy the denominator. Okay, so that's it. That is 2 plus 1 is 3, and copy the denominator. That is 3/3. But what is 3/3? Right? So 4, copy 4 plus 3/3, or 3 divided by 3 is 1. Alright? So therefore, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And that is the answer when we add 1 and 2/3 plus 3 and 1/3. Right? Okay. That is our first method. Alright. For our second method, okay, the same problem, but we are going to use different way. Okay, so first step is you just multiply 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 plus 2, right? 3 times 1 plus 2. We just converting the mixed number into improper fraction. So converting mixed number into improper fractions. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So it will become, I'll make it bigger. So it will become 5/3. So copy the denominator. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Copy the denominator of 3. Plus, the same process, 3 times 3 plus 1. Alright. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 10/3. So again, let's recap my previous video about adding fractions with the same denominator. So what it's all about, we just add the numerator or the number on top of the fraction. Okay, we just add them and then copy the denominator. So which is 5 plus 10 is 15. Then copy the denominator 3. Okay? And we have to simplify. What is 15 over 3? Or 15 divided by 3? So the answer is 5. See? So we have two ways to add mixed numbers that will come up with the same answer. Right? Okay, let's take another example. For example, if you have 9 2 over 7. Okay? And then plus 15 let's say 1 over 7. Okay? So 9 and 2 over 7 plus 15 1 over 7. So in our first method, so I'm going to divide my board into two. So this is method 1. This is my method 1. And then this one will gonna be the method 2. Okay? So in method 1, we just add the whole number. Okay? So that is 9 plus 15. Okay, and then we put a bracket on it, plus for separating into two groups. So 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7. So we group them. This is the group of whole number, which is 9 and 15. And then this is the group of proper fraction. What is 9 plus 15? So 9 plus 15 is 24. Yeah? So it's 24. Then, okay, the rules in adding fractions with the same denominator. So I just add the number on top of the fraction or the numerator. So that is 2 plus 1 is 3 over 7. Then copy the denominator, which is 7. Right? So 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7 is 3 over 7. So what is 24 plus 3 over 7? So all you have to do is just copy it. So the final answer will be 24 and 3 over 7. So that is the answer. Okay? Using the method 1. While in method 2, so let's copy the problem. 9 2 over 7 plus 15 1 over 7. Right? So our method 2, we just simply multiply 7 times 9 plus 2. Okay? So 7 times 9 is 63 plus 2 is 65. Copy the denominator, which is 7. Right? And then plus, so 7 times 15. What is 7 times 15? So 7 times 15 is 7 times 5 is 35. I write here. So 15 times 7 is 35. 33 there. So 105 plus 1. So it will become 106 or 106 over 7. Okay. Just gonna delete it here. Right. So 7 times 15 is 105. Plus 1 is 106. So then copy the denominator. So remember, so you have the same denominator and you have a proper fraction. So all you have to do is add the numerator or the number on top of the bar. Okay? So what is 106 plus 65? Okay? So if you add 106 plus 65, that is 11 carry 1, 171. So you will get 171. So 171 over 7. And then you're going to divide it. Okay? What is 171? So 171 divided by 7. So you can get 2 times 7 is 14. So 7 minus 4 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0, to bring down to 1. So how many 7 can you make from 31? And you can make 4. 7 times 4, 28, remainder 3. So the answer will become 24 and 3 over 7. So as you can see, you came up with the same answer but different way of method. Okay, different way of solving the problems. So I will gonna let it to you, okay, which one is easier for you to solve this kind of problems or to solve the mixed number. Alright, so let's take the last example, okay, for adding mixed numbers. Let's say you have 3 and 1/2 plus 5 and 1/3. So the denominator of this fraction or mixed number is different. So in method 1, we just add the whole number first. So 3 plus 5. So that is 3 plus 5 bracket plus and 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay. So again, in my previous video, we learned about how to add fractions with different denominator. So do you still remember? Okay, so of course. So all you have to do is you use this one to multiply it here. Both the numerator and denominator, you use 3. So this one is times 3. This one is also times 3. Right? And then you use 2 to multiply it here. Both numerator and denominator. So you start, this one will become times 2. This will become times 2. Okay? So simplify, go back to this. 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus, so what is 1 times 3? 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So as you can see now, you made the denominator the same. Okay? Or you found out, you found this common denominator of the two. Okay? So now, 8 plus, what is, since the denominator is the same, we just simply add the numerator. So 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 I mean, 3 plus 2 is 5, right? And then copy 6. So again, what's the final answer in here? So you just combine them. 8, 5 over 6. Right? Okay. Now in the second method, we just copy first 3 and 1/2 plus 5 and 1/3. So the same process in our method, in our second method. So we just simply multiply 2 times 3 plus 1. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7, and then copy the denominator, which is 2. Okay? Plus, in here, so times 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16 over 3. Okay? Now, you have to make the denominator the same, like what you did here. So this one will become times 3, and then this one is times 3, and this one is times 2, this one is times 2. Right? Okay, to get the least common denominator. So what is 7 times 3? That is 21. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 16 times 2 is 32. 3 times 2 is 6. Now you made the denominator the same, so you just add the numerator. So what is 21 plus 32? And that is 53. Okay, that is 53 over 6. Now, how many 6 can you make from 53? So 9 times 6 is 54. So it's over 53. So you can make 8. Okay? So 8 and 5 over 6. How did I get that? So you just simply divide it. Just simply divide 53 divided by 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. Remainder. 53 minus 48 is 5. So that's why we get this one. 8, 5 over 6. So that is the answer when you add 3 and 1/2 plus 5 and 1/3. Alright? So hope you like it and you learn from these methods, which is adding more topics to learn in maths. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Okay? So till next time, see ya. Bye bye.